Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page on Shopify. First, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Consider using a dedicated landing page app or a flexible theme to build your page. This provides the foundational structure. Clearly define your page's goal, whether it's lead generation or product sales, to guide your design choices effectively and ensure a focused approach. Now, let's design. Drag and drop sections to create a visually appealing layout. Include a prominent hero section with a strong headline and high-quality image. Place clear calls to action strategically, guiding visitors toward your desired outcome. Remember to optimize for mobile, as over 50% of traffic comes from phones. Great content is key. Craft compelling, benefit-driven copy that resonates with your target audience. Use high-quality images or engaging videos to capture attention and convey your message effectively. Don't forget basic search engine optimization. Include relevant keywords in your title and description to improve discoverability. This helps potential customers find you. Finally, it's time to launch. Before publishing, meticulously review every element, from text to images, ensuring everything is perfect. Test all links and forms to confirm they function correctly. Once live, monitor your page's performance using analytics. Make data-driven adjustments to continuously improve conversion rates and achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.